Welcome back to another video of the what is it called again?
Garden and
series and I am Nick here, and today we're gonna be planting seeds, but not kind of seeds,
what?
not normal seeds. Mommy, tell them what kind of seeds.
We're gonna be planting carrots and cabbage.
Carrots and cabbage seeds. And how much?
Just gonna do like a tray full, half carrots and half cabbage.
Yeah. Okay, so that means we're gonna be planting 20.
No, I think it's more than 20.
23.
It's more than 20. But we're
50.
all right, we're gonna do that. You'll see how much. We're gonna count them when we're gonna do them, okay?
Yeah, I do the carrot and you do the cabbage.
All right.
And
I think May 3rd, I planted some seeds, and I'm gonna show you what they are. What's going on with them right now? All right, and then we just take a look at the tomatoes here.
Gonna be the camera guy.
All right, so
Who's gonna be the camera
stay
guy?
tuned, guys. Right, so I think cabbage was in this one. I wrote on it, but I can't. I don't remember. Yeah, I think cabbage was in here, and something else was in here. I didn't put the name on it. Cabbage and carrots. Cabbage and carrots. They were here. They didn't make it. These are peas right here. They're not looking too bad. I'm gonna transplant them soon. I have more cabbage here, so I don't know if I'm overwatering or underwatering these, because every day they just keep dying. And I have my sorrel. They're okay. The lettuce, I think I may get a few lettuce out of this, but I guess this is what you get when you plant in regular, when you start your seeds in regular soil. All right, so I'm just out here, and I'm gonna be trying to, tidy up a little bit. And we're getting some rain, so I don't have to be watering that often. But yeah, this is where it is right now. The carrots, they are looking really good. They're looking really, really good. There's another one that's coming up right here, and then this one right here. So I may get to, I don't know, let's see how it goes for the carrot plant. And I don't think this is moving, but I'm still leaving it, watching it to see what's going on with it. My aloe plant, no, I think it will make it. The crabs, they just keep getting at my stuff. They bit off here. There's a little piece here that they took off. So I'm just trying to see if this will make it. Hopefully it does. And then here we have the carrot, the tomato tree. Next stop, do that. So still bearing, still producing blossoms here, but I think I have some infected leaves, which I'm gonna get rid of in a little bit. So every morning I will just pick them as they start to ripen, because the crabs, they keep getting at them. Alright, so I am going to trim these up a little bit, and then I'll show you. See where here the crabs, they just come in and they just eat the cabbage, and they eat the tomatoes that they can reach. So they took off the entire leaves off of this dasheen plant, but as you can see, it's spring back right now, and I'm sure it's gonna push more leaves soon. All right, and then guys, I have this plant right here. So this is, I planted ginger last a year. And then to my surprise, I thought that I got a small piece out of it, but I think I was impatient and you know, I took it out too quick. But then I saw this the other day coming up, so I'm just leaving it to see what's gonna happen. All right, Nick. So I'm gonna be trimming these up a little bit and take off these um, infected leaves as best as I can. All right. All right. So I did as much as I could, clean up this area. Gotta take this off because the crabs, they're just eating away all the things that I plant here. But if you're wondering that, you know, if you cut, if when you cut your tomato plants, if you take off the leaves that are hanging on the ground, if they will grow back, they will. Because I cut these, I don't know, maybe, not sure how long ago. But as you can see, they just spring back new leaves. Right, for this one, I know I trimmed up everything. This is a new stem. It pushed out a new stem. So if you see them lying on the ground, you can trim them up because they will spring back. All right, and then now the one that sprung back, it is blossoming. As you can see it right here, this is the one that spring back. So I watched it just like this one. It came from this small and then it came back up and it started to bloom. Alright, so you don't have to worry about those leaves that are hanging on the ground. You just want to clean them up because if they have fungus or anything like that on them, it will infect the healthy leaves that are on the top. That's why you see me now just trying to take out all of those leaves that are not looking so healthy. All right, so I'm done cleaning up my garden, you know, and removing the yellow leaves from the tomatoes and whatever. So now, as you can see, that my seeds that I planted in regular soil did not, you know, they didn't make it. I only have the sorrel. I don't know if this lettuce will make it, and I have the peas. So now I got some potting soil and I'm gonna start again with some cabbage and lettuce. I'm gonna start them over. I'm gonna keep them inside this time because the crabs keep getting at them. So I'm gonna be, you know, sowing the seeds right now. I'm gonna do half of the tray in cabbage and half in lettuce. All right, so let's see how that goes. Alright guys, so I've sowed these seeds. Stay tuned to see what will be the outcome. I want to thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.